I want to give a big message to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, that you have taken panga with now Dudhwala. You are telling yourself you are Chaiwala, but you have taken panga with Dudhwala, so you have to bow down in front of them, because we are the forefathers and we are the backbone of this universe. चीटी से लेके हाथी तक को we are the feeder of this universe.
नमस्कार, आदाब, मैं हूं निखत अली। फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोल रहे ये शख्स एक किसान है जो सिंघू बॉर्डर पर चल रहे किसान आंदोलन में हरियाणा से शामिल होने के लिए आए हैं। ये निर्भीक है, निडर है, बेखौफ है और सरकार तक अपनी आवाज पहुंचाने का हौसला रखते हैं। इनको सुनने के बाद शायद किसानों के प्रति देश का नजरिया बदलेगा और सरकार का भी। आपका नाम क्या है?
बेटा, आई एम ओम प्रकाश दहिया। मैं आपके इनकलाब यानी चैनल का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ, बिकॉज यू हैव गिवन अ चांस एट लीस्ट to speak out on this media.
You will speak in English only?
Yeah, I will speak in English only, because
What do you want to say?
I want to say that I want to give a big message to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, that you have taken panga with now Dudhwala. You are telling yourself you are Chaiwala, but you have taken panga with Dudhwala, so you have to bow down in front of them, because we are the forefathers and we are the backbone of this universe. चीटी से लेके हाथी तक को we are the feeder of this universe. So naturally you have to face the consequences if you are not taking these black bills, because they are dead ones and they have been sent. They have sent us these dead ones. So we will fight against this protest. It will be remembered. It will be recorded in the history of India, and you can say in the world also. It will be the popular protest. This much large protest I have never seen in my life, and I will not see also. Ultimately it will be the last, I think so. But he is the चौकीदार, कभी चौकीदार कहता है, लेकिन I will tell you, in fact, ये अंबानी और अडानी का चौकीदार है, ये देश का चौकीदार नहीं है। कभी कहता है मैं देश का सेवक हूँ, हैं, इसका देश का सेवक हूँ, ये सेवक उन्हीं का है। जब ये उस पर बर्थडे पे जा सकते हैं वहाँ अंबानी अडानी के, he has given chance to them, he can visit there, so he must feel shame on his part. ये राजा होके झूठ बोलते हैं, he must come this side. This much severe cold, our young and our older, 85 years old, he is 95 years, और एक साल की बच्ची से लेकर सब, they are on the fields, they are sleeping in the open air, they are shivering with the cold, severe cold it is. You can know that it is -2 and 2 टेम्परेचर इन द नाइट टाइम।
आप बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं, आप बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं, हरियाणा से हैं आप। एक बात पहले मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी, किस तरीके की बातें बीच में उठी कि किसान जो है इतनी अच्छी अंग्रेजी कैसे बोल रहे हैं? वो किसान नहीं है जो अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं।
नो बेटा, ऐसा है, आवर फार्मर सन्स दे आर आल्सो गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट इन बॉर्न स्पेशलिस्ट आल्सो। महेंद्र सिंह दहिया is from my nearby village, neighbor you can say. He was a gold medalist. He has treated Mr. Indira Gandhi's nose, and he has gone to, he's a gold medalist, MBBS doctor in USA also. Then ultimately we want to give them a message. He's telling the illiterate peoples, they are colleagues. This Punjab is our elder brother and we are the younger one. We are the Lakshmana here, and present in front of you, both in the joint. We have came on this platform, and we will prove that we will win this procession. Is our, you can say.
सरकार तो कह रही है कि हरियाणा की किसान जो है वो उनके साथ है, वो जो उनको किसी तरीके की कोई तकलीफ नहीं है उस कानून से।
No.
हरियाणा से ये
That's a prudent PM is giving false statement that can never be. It will never happen in the future also. Earlier they have divided us in the 2 parts, Haryana and Punjab. It's a Nehar ka SYL. Today he is remembering that reverse SYL Nehar. Why? Because इससे torpedo करने के लिए इस procession को कि they must take their support back from Punjab, and they will not give support to the Punjab farmers. But we will remember those things, that Punjab is our elder brother. First we will give our this thing. शहीदी पहले हम देंगे हरियाणा, पहले लक्ष्मणा will suicide. जो भी ultimately we will face the consequences whatever come in my way in these borders. Here Jawans were the Kisans, and both they are on the roads. This is a criminal economical loss, being the PM and is doing this, and ultimately per day or 1 hour or more than one bed. It's a criminal wastage he is doing, and इतना पीछे हमारा हिंदुस्तान को लेके जा रहा है. He's the false king, and राजा का धर्म नहीं होता झूठ बोलना.
अभी के लिए इतना ही. अपनी राय हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए और अगली नई खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल इनकलाब को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. शुक्रिया.